So students, today's topic is AC through capacitor. In previous videos, we have studied AC through resistive circuit and AC through inductive circuit. Now here, what happened? A capacitor is there of capacitance C. Capacitor is there of capacitance C, and this capacitor is connected to a AC source, AC voltage source, and the equation of this AC source is given by E equal to E naught sin omega t. Now when we connect this AC source, the current will flow in half cycle this way, in half cycle this way. So at particular instant, the capacitor will charge. Current I will be there, and capacitor will charge. If we are talking about charge, so charge on a capacitor is given by Q equal to Cv. The basic formula of capacitance, Q equal to Cv. Here V is what? E. So we can write it Q equal to Ce. And Q may be denoted as Q क्या होता है? I is denoted by dq over dt. So this Q is denoted right like this. C E naught sin omega t. This is what? This is Q. And I equal to dq over dt. So we can write Q here and ddt of C E naught sin omega t. When we differentiate this equation, this is what? This is constant term and C naught. And the differentiation of sin omega t is cos omega t and omega. So we can write this E naught C omega cos omega t. This is what? This is equation of I. Equation of current, and equation of EMF is this. So this equation is given in sine form, and this equation is given in cos form. So when we change this, we can write this sin C omega t plus pi y, or pi by 2 plus omega. So we have, this is equation of I, and this is equation of E naught sin omega t. So what is the phase difference? Here total phase of this equation is this. Here phase is this. What is the phase difference of these two equations? This is pi by 2. Means there is a phase difference of pi by 2 in current and voltage in case of capacitor. There is also phase of pi by 2 in case of inductor, but in that case current is lagging behind. But here it is leading. Means in phasor diagram, this is our what? This is equation E naught sin omega t, and this is what? This is omega t. Then the value of current or phasor of current will be there. I equal to E naught C omega sin omega t plus pi by 2. So this angle is 90 degree, and here in the graphical or phasor representation, current is leading by EMF by 90 day. So this is leading. Now again we can write this equation because we know this basic formula I equal to V upon R. So if we want to write this equation in terms of this, so I equal to E naught upon 1 upon C omega sin omega t plus pi by 2. So this 1 upon C omega I equal to E naught upon xc sin omega t plus pi by 2. This xc is called reactance or capacitive reactance. Reactance or capacitive reactance of the circuit, as in case of inductor this XL was omega L. There XL was omega L. What here XC equal to 1 upon omega C. This is also called reactance. This is also called reactance. Here it is called inductive reactance. Here it is called capacitive reactance. And the value of capacitive reactance XC equal to 1 upon omega C or 1 upon C omega. So this is what? This is AC through capacitor, means this is pure capacitive circuit, means there is no resistance. Resistance is not there, inductive circuit is not there. This is pure capacitive circuit, and this is our what? This is phasor diagram, this is circuit, and these are the equations of current and EMF.